It's raining. No, it is not. It's the storm. The storm is coming. Aha! Are you feeling seasick?
Open your eyes, followers. It's 12 at noon and the Rockin' Apple is welcoming the most unwelcome visitors. I'll hold of you a public hearing. You stalkers, stalking me, the pirate for days? Get ready to be shocked away by the rock and rolling coasters night and day. Now, listen to Radio Apple. Come with me. Let's count down to ecstasy. 3, 2, 1. Say your names, you British government stooges. Say your names, you Manus Vindictae robbers. You banned music. You robbed traders. Our lips are sealed and we wandered. But nothing gonna change our love for freedom ever!
What's wrong? What's happened?
There is a huge black ship behind us. We are under attack.
Bloody hell! Turn off the microphone! A bridge! Cannons with vanes! What the hell is that? You gotta be kidding! I just played a song!
Captain, it's the icon of the Manus Vindictae.
Manus Vindictae! Those terrorists! Is it because of my little thing, or... Ah, I get it. Your accomplices are here. Remember, you are still captives of this pirate. Get them to hold the fire immediately. Otherwise...
We are sinking. Please be ready to abandon the ship, my captain.
Hey! I can hand you over, but please don't break my ship. My records are my treasures. No violence. Say something if you can hear me. Hey!
We don't know them. We've tried to tell you.
We're the investigators from the Foundation.
You got the wrong people.
Ah. Protect the records! Regulus's ship was sunk. Landed. Good. They landed safely. Kaspita, the rioters are still after them. If it goes on like this... My apologies, timekeeper. Are you feeling better now? Of course! Timekeeper, my apologies if I was rude. I shouldn't have sent the backup request in a rush. The ritual was not ready. Fortunately, you are awake now. But it's an emergency. Please allow me to report and ask for backup. Go ahead, please. The day before yesterday, we were resisted when registering Regulus in. Our teammates were also taken by her. The bad news is that Manus Vindictae is onto her now. We must rescue our teammates, complete the mission before the storm, and return to the research center. I'm not like you, and you know that well. I haven't been trained systematically for the Battle of Arcanum, my classmate.
No, it's fine. You don't have to fight, Miss Vertin. Please just guide me by my side. You are the most perceptive person I have ever seen in terms of Arcanum. And what's more, I heard that within 24 hours before the storm, we could ask you for help if we have any problems. Is that right, Timekeeper? This is what it says in the field mission evacuation instructions.
You are a careful reader. I'll help you out, don't worry. "50 minutes left. Come on, let's move."
Please use this. It will send us directly to the other side.
This is...
a portable floppy disk for the arcane skill teleport. I used it just now to send you. It's still under experiment, so it is not stable. Madam Z only gave me 3. But if everything goes well, it will save us much time. Think of the destination. Name it in the vision. Then the ritual of teleport will start.
There are too many of them. I can't hang on anymore. What's your status?
The way is blocked. I'm still trying to break it through.
Can we go back? Before the storm?
Sugar! I saved money for 5 years, my beloved Apple. And the tape scan driver I just bought yesterday all sank to the bottom. If I weren't protecting the records, I would have been able to beat you all. Don't be smug.
Stone.
Oh, what are you doing, you bastard? My records, my Pete Windmill, my John Thunderfingers live show. I'm gonna kill you!
Captain, what's your 6?
Found them. Enemy at your 1. Now.
Ascolta, capire, pregare, perdonare. Ed è subito sera.
Huh? Who's there?
The incantation. Is it?
It's the captain. Yes, our captain's here. Captain, how did you do that? You stopped the enemy just in time.
Nothing special. All thanks to Timekeeper's help. Predict enemies move while teleporting. Timekeeper, you seem to be more perceptive than before.
You are our timekeeper? Now we meet you, which means the storm is coming soon.
Indeed, you still have 45 minutes. I'll do my best to help before the storm. Now everyone, get ready to break through. Regulus, you're doing this too.
Huh? Since you saved the pirate, I'll do this.
Sonetto, assist me please. The breach is behind us. The alley toward...
We are distanced from them for now.
Captain, Are there any teleport floppy disks left? We have to go now.
This is the last one. Let's take Regulus back.
Huh? Where are we going?
Please do not get me wrong. We will not do anything against you. We are investigators from St. Pavlov Foundation. As far as I know, you have not registered for the Arcanum license. Unauthorized use of Arcanum is a violation of the public security law. Please cooperate with our investigation and registration. Just come back with us to the research center and... as quickly as possible.
Huh? Am I recruited? Fine. It's okay to go with you, but could you show me the floppy disk first?
Sure, no problem.
Wow, so the incantation can really be recorded and read. A floppy disk to store advanced arcane skills. So cool. If only I can take it apart. This is where you start the ritual. Looks like just the signature will work.
That's right. I heard that you are also a fan of technology.
Oh no. Everyone get down!
Ambush!
Anyone hurt? Careful! These are different rioters. The way ahead of us is blocked.
Manus Vindictae have disappeared for a long time. Why are there so many of them?
Take them down first. Sonato, keep assisting me, please.
That was close. Finally got rid of them. Let's hurry up now. We can't waste our time anymore. Please pass me the floppy disk, Regulus. I will start the ritual. Regulus? Where is she?
Seems that she started the ritual and disappeared in chaos.
She must be in such a rush that she even forgot her stuff.
We can only walk back now, Captain. Just give up the Regulus mission.
If we stay for too long, we can't be back in time. Staying outside during the storm means you'll be disqualified as an investigator. You should know that, Captain.
You go first. We'll split up the team. You go back to the Foundation to report, while I, as captain, will stay till the last moment.
What are you going to do after Regulus's registration? The storm is about to come.
Express gratitude, salute, and see their leaving. Never disturb the lives of the registrants.
You haven't seen the storm yet, right?
I'm not qualified. So far, you are the only one who can move freely during the storm.
Have you found out where she usually shows up? And who knows her?
Yes. She often shows at the West End, hanging around Carnaby Street and King's Road. She used to buy records in Kingly Court, and she may return there.
Oh, and her arcane skill can also change the light. Please be careful of that.
I see. Let's go, Sonato.
Are you coming with me? Thank you. I thought you would leave after breaking through.
It's okay. I have my own mission. Also, in Kingly Court.
epical story will be brought to the big screen! Victory blessed England!
The hero Pickles. This is...
Hey, coming through. Tommy, she's not here again today. I'll take this motorbike if she doesn't show up.
Shh! Don't be such a bugger! Did you listen to the radio this morning? Her ship has been sunk.
Are you talking about Regulus of the Apple?
Who are you?
I'm her friend. She left something here.
These are... Be quiet. Don't get caught. Take your chances around that cafe.
Thank you very much for your assistance.
You were very serious. If you really want to thank me, just take a copy of the Times. See? It's all good news on the first 2 pages. Only comes along every once in 1,000 years, eh?
Please give me a copy.
Do you like the world outside, Sonetto?
No. I am just curious. I will throw it away when I finish it. Please don't take it to heart. That voice! Timekeeper, look at that table!
Yummy! So yummy! 1 more Earl Grey with brown sugar, please.
Oh, the optical arcane skill to be invisible. Now I understand. Am Himmel wechselt man die Bühnenbilder.
Whoa! What? Who spilled my tea?
Regulus, will you cooperate or not? Please answer me.
Your foundation is just an authority working with governments. If I register in, my location will be exposed anywhere, anytime. I'm not doing it!
May the peace be with us.
Ouch! Hurts! Really hurts!
I have not taken my best shot. Please stand up and continue to fight with me.
Arm's broken! Hurts!
She doesn't look right. She's pale. I'll go check.
What are you doing?
It's the Misty Bubble Ball. You know how to use it, right?
Huh?
I need your help. Before that, I'll help you out. I'll see you in the bookstore on Oxford Street. Now, push me.
Timekeeper!
Protect your eyes.
my mistake, but it should be fine. The time of Misty Bubble Ball is limited, so she must still be in this block.
Sonetto, are you still searching? The storm is coming. If you don't go back now, it'll be too late.
At least, let me search these stores again.
Whoa, you freaked me out. Did we say the bookstore?
Exactly. Isn't it the bookstore? The unimproved Misty Bubble Ball has a special scent. Sonetto will be here any minute.
So what do you want from me? Poor me.
Relax. I'm not going to take you to the Foundation. I ask you to go somewhere safe with me. Regulus, I need you to brave the storm with me.
Brave the storm?
Shh, she's here.
Timekeeper, any progress on your end?
I'm sorry.
You shook your head. That means my mission failed? Timekeeper. When will the storm begin?
In 10 minutes.
I should go. I have to go back. Thank you very much for your support, Timekeeper.
The rain. Is it falling upside down? Why does everyone act as if nothing happens? Are my eyes playing tricks on me? These things are really weird.
You concede something's weird, which proves you're the one I'm looking for.
Looking for me? No! No way! Are these potions? Did you use potions on me? Why? The little thing is no longer with me.
Enough! Stop running. The storm is here. Look at the world with your own eyes. I'm not them. I'm here to protect you. It's alright. It's just the end of an era. And you survived. You've braved the storm. My experiment succeeded. Thanks for your help.
What experiment? The end of an era? What does it mean? I can't understand what you're talking about.
Relax, Regulus. I will tell you, but not here. Say this with me. Ne ilu mulde en dion bona nocton. Take my hand. Let me take you into the suitcase.
Suitcase?
Close your eyes. Follow me. All the way down the road to the depths of the suitcase.
It's dark. I can't see anything. Where are you taking me?
A safe place. An ark, sailing in the storm. No traces here. A good place for talking.
These are giant stone statues, huge electronic machines, a whole wall of photos.
Please, allow me to reintroduce myself. I'm from St. Pavlov Foundation, same place as the investigators you have met. That's where we grew up. My position is the timekeeper, people who record the time of the outside world. That is, people who record the beginnings and ends of eras.
You're saying that the photos here are... Huh? It's Lewis! I know him!
Yes, I took this photo several days ago. He was selling the Hoover upright vacuum cleaners in the West End and thought photos would help his business. So he gladly took this.
Why did you take a photo of him? How's he...
This is Marion Smith, a single mother. She was worried if she could afford their lunch for the weekend, but still couldn't give up her dream of being a writer. I met her in a snack bar at 2 a.m. Her one-act play about the Trans-Antarctica expedition was a real masterpiece. This is Julie, who once invited me to her house. Her bedroom wall was full of Rivaldo posters. The FIFA World Player of the Year, who then became the mass idol.
Trans-Antarctica expedition? Rivaldo? Never heard of them.
That's the story for a long, long time to come. These photos, dating back as far as 1999, that is our time. Our time seems to be going backwards, Regulus. From the countdown to millennium, the explosion of a supernova in the 80s, to the unveiling of VHS. And after this, I met you in the 1960s.
So time is going backwards. So the people in the photo, people like me, where are they now? Are they all reversed? Like in the storm. Just now.
Maybe. I never met them again. Before you, I've done so many experiments. In an accident, I realised that my suitcase seemed to be able to cut the storm out. It can preserve the traces of the last era, like these photos. So I tried to put newspapers, mushrooms, Wapaloosis into the case. They all succeeded. However, when it comes to the friends I made in the last era, I failed. It doesn't work on ordinary people. Maybe I should just record the time and spend no feelings on what I see, as the Foundation asked me to do.
But why are we?
Because we can see the mutation of the world. The weird things before the storm had left deep impressions on this apple.
I think so. When you were sailing out at sea, on the radio, Regulus had cried out, "Shout it to the full moon." It was the beginning of the month, so it's impossible to have a full moon in the sky. The real moon was to the west of you. There were 2 moons that night. There is someone that can see what I see in this world. So I decided to try it again. For the last time.
What's up? Is that an earthquake?
Not good. Seems our suitcase has been found. By critters maybe, or just someone passing by. Sorry, I need to leave for a while. Need to hide it somewhere safe.
Hey, wait. The things you're doing, does your boss know?
This is my own will. I don't want to stand aside and watch you be carried away by Sonetto, leaving no sign of you after the storm. On top of that, there is something I want to find out myself. The truth.
Solid. Mr. Apple, could you please give Vertin a hand? I need to really think about it. About all the things you said.